Here's all you'll need to make my lovely lemon drizzle cake. A couple of eggs, a couple of lemons, some butter, self-raising flour, caster sugar, baking powder and a 10-inch loaf tin. Let's get all the yellow lemon zest off the lemons. With your lemon zest done, it's time to soften up some butter in the microwave, put in the sugar and get those mixed together. With those nicely mixed, then time drop in your lemon zest, and then your 2 eggs. And then get those mixed in. With your eggs mixed in, it's time to sift in the flour and baking powder. Then you're just going to fold in with a spatula, not your whisk, until it all comes together. First thing to do with your loaf tin, turn it over and then cut yourself a piece of grease-proof paper. Turn your tin over and then grease the inside. Place your template you've just cut on the bottom, stick it to the butter, and then it's in with your mixture. Spread it out so it's quite even, and then even the top off, and that's going in the oven. Depends how long you want to cook it for, really. 180 for about 30 or 40 minutes, or 160 if you want to do it at a lower temperature for about an hour. With your cake baking in the oven, it's time to get the juice from the 2 lemons. With your cake baking, it's time to go in with the juice of the 2 lemons, and then going in with 3 teaspoons of your caster sugar. Just keep swirling them round until your caster sugar has dissolved into your lemon juice. When a toothpick comes out clean from your cake in the oven, you know it's done. So turn it over, turn it out. Luckily the grease-proof paper stayed in the tin. And then what you're going to do with the same toothpick is go along the whole of the cake, making loads of little holes that your lemon syrup you've just made is going to go into. When you've made all the holes in it, it's time to put on your lemon syrup. Do it 1 teaspoon at a time and let the juice soak in before you put the next teaspoon on. Let the cake and syrup cool down, then cut yourself a slice, get a cup of tea and put your feet up.